Okay, so I stole a question of a FFT butterfly from 2014 summer final. It might be Dr. Wong, so I'm just gonna do this, and it'll be a 4-point DFT. So I'm just gonna get to this, okay? So I'm gonna take the 4-point butterfly of X event here. So I stole this FFT template from the PAT last exam. So that's where I got this from. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, X event equals 2 delta event minus delta n minus 1, and interpret it as a four-link signal. This would be 2, -1, 0, 0. When I group these by their even and odd terms, and I say that X of 0 equals 2, X of 2 equals 0, X of 1 equals -1, X of 3 equals 0. Now to get B1, I'm going to follow the trail. So B1 gets contributions going this way and that way from A1 plus A2. This would be A1 plus A2, and that's going to be, let's see, 2 plus 0 equals 2. Next, I'm going to next calculate the next one. So I'm going to say B2 equals the contributions coming from A1 minus this A2. So A1 minus A2 is equal to 2 minus 0, which is still 2. Okay. Next, B3 is going to be equal to, let's see. So let's see, B3 gets contributions from A3 plus A4. A3 plus A4 is equal to -1 plus 0 equals -1. And B4 is the difference of these two. So you can see this because it would be A3 minus A4 equal to -1 minus 0 equals -1. That's not correct. That is not correct. This would be, oh, that is correct. Yeah. -1 minus 0 equals -1. Okay. This is 2, 2, -1, and it's -1. Now I'm going to calculate C1. And this will be, okay, following the trail, I'm going to, let's use a different color from now on. Let's do, I don't know, purple. So this would be C1 gets contributions from B1 plus the contribution along this diagonal. And that'll just be plus B3. That's equal to 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, C2. C2 gets contributions from this horizontal B2 plus a diagonal minus J here. Minus J, what is that coming from? B4. So this to be B2 is actually equal to 2. B4 is 1. So B4 is -1. So minus J minus -1 is J, 2 plus J. Next, C3 gets contributions from this horizontal. Well, that's not right. It gets contributions from B1. And next it gets contributions from this horizontal, and this -1 is actually on that horizontal. So in my opinion, a bad diagram. Anyways, B1 minus B3 equals, let's see, B1 is 2, and B3 equals -1. So -1 is +1 equals 3. Next, C4 is equal to, let's see, so it gets contributions from B2 plus those horizontal B4 row with the J to it. So J B4 is equal to, okay, B2 is 2 minus 1 times J minus J. So this sort of completes our diagram. This would be 1, 2 plus J, 3, and 2 minus J. All your value, these are all your values, and you're good to go. So I want to now solve for, let's see, Y event now. So let's try and repeat that same exact process I just did. Okay, so I'm gonna say y of n. So y of n is written as a 4-point signal. It would be 4, -4, 3, -1. So the even terms are going to be y of 0 equals 4, y of 2 equals 3, y of 1 equals -4, y of 3 equals -1. So I'm going to just follow the trail again. So B1 equals the contributions from A1 and A2. That would be A1 plus A2. And that would be equal to 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. B2 is equal to the difference of the two, because this is A1 minus this -1 here. And that's going to be equal to A1 minus A2. And that's going to be equal to 4 minus 3 equals 1. B3 is going to be equal to, okay, it'll be A3 and it'll be A4 to add it together. So A3 plus A4, that'll be -4. Let's see, -4 minus 1. So plus -1 equals -5. That'll be B4 equals to the difference, so A3 minus A4. And that's going to be equal to, let's see, -4 minus -1. That's equal to -3. So yeah, this is 7, 1, -5, -3. I'm now going to solve for C1, C2, C3, C4. So C1 gets its contributions from B1 in the diagonal term along from B3. So it'll be B1 plus B3 equals 7 minus 5 equals 2. C2 gets its contributions coming from B2 minus this J along from B4. So CB2 minus JB4 is equal to, let's see, that's 1 minus -3 minus J plus 3J. That's it. Wow. Oh, I'll write it precisely. 1 minus J times -3 equals 1 plus 3J. Next, C3 is equal to, let's see, okay, so C3 gets contributions from B1 plus its contribution from, let's see, this sign will be flipped, so it'll be minus B3. Okay, this will be B1 minus B3, so it'll be 7 minus -5 equals 12. The next C4 gets its contributions from B2 plus J times B4. This would be, let's see, so B2 is 1 plus J times -3 equals 1 minus 3J. And this is just about my results. So this would be 2, 1 plus 3J, 12, 1 minus 3J. And that will be all.